Hydroponics
Here I
course
am
is
in
now
my,
available.
greenhouse number 2. This is a Kratky method greenhouse. So sa kabila is yung NFT ko po na vertical for my small space doon sa bahay. So dito sa bahay ng aking mother-in-law. So planting different kinds of vegetables. So I have your pichay and lettuce and radish, and meron akong onion, and then meron din tayong basil dito, sweet basil, and different varieties of lettuce. And kung gusto nyo pong matuto about lettuce farming, I'm offering a digital course to those who are interested. So you will receive this one, and ito man-receive nyo 39 days hydroponic farming course. Within 39 days, makaka-harvest ka na without foliar, without using pH down and pH up. And I'll be going through that, and then tuturuan kita how to calibrate your pH pen meter accuracy para makuha nyo po yung right ppm or EC, and makuha mo yung right pH range or level po ng nutrient solution nyo. And then meron po yung Hydroponic Starter Guide ebook para po sa iyo if you're a first timer or a beginner. And then meron din tayong Growing Beyond Soil webinar, and that is recorded. I'll explain it there, the basic of hydroponics, and you will learn that all here in my offer. So if you want to avail, just message me and let's keep in touch. God bless.